Class 9th Physical Activity Trainer with Voice Unit 2 Planning Age-Appropriate Physical Activity.
Welcome to my channel Class Winners Books.
Unit 2 Planning Age-Appropriate Physical Activity. Introduction. This chapter shows how to plan and organize physical and cognitive activities for children so they grow stronger, smarter, and more confident. The focus is on creating routines, choosing the right equipment, and balancing fun with learning. Key points. Physical strength. Use activities like games and sports to build strength and coordination. Cognitive skills include reading, writing, and problem-solving games to develop thinking. Daily planning. Mix active, quiet, and social times daily for holistic growth. Recreation. Add games, singing, and dancing to boost creativity and social skills. Sports. Run structured sessions like drills and friendly matches to build fitness and teamwork. Timetable. Plan activities and breaks so time is used well and goals are reached. Activity duration. Make sure every activity's length matches its learning goal. Resources needed. General supplies. Markers, cones, discs to set boundaries. Whistles for signals. Stopwatches, timers, track time and progress. First aid kit for minor injuries. Manipulative skills equipment. Balls for different sports. Rackets, paddles for hitting and coordination. Jump ropes, good for fitness and rhythm. Balance and coordination equipment. Balance boards, beams, stepping stones, hula hoops to improve balance, agility, and movement control. Fitness strength equipment. Resistance bands, dumbbells, medicine balls, agility ladders, plyometric boxes, all build various aspects of physical strength and speed. Safety gear. Helmets, pads, safety glasses needed for activities with risks. Miscellaneous. Pedometers, trackers, motivate activity. Music players, speakers, set the mood and help with timing. Scarves, balloons, props for fun and coordination. Making daily plans. Set routine times, have a clear schedule for meals, rest, play, and bed. Adapt to age. Younger children need more breaks, older children can focus longer. Include many activities. Combine educational, reading, art, physical, sports, dancing, social, group games, and independent play for a well-rounded day. Balance active and quiet times, alternate outdoor games with relaxing activities like drawing or reading. Daily routines, start the day with helpful habits, such as getting dressed and eating breakfast, and end with quiet bedtime routines. Flexibility, change plans if needed, based on children's mood or energy. Independence, let children help with simple chores and give them choices to build responsibility. Monitor and reflect, watch how plans work and adjust to improve. Planning recreation and sports. Identify interests and abilities, choose activities everyone can enjoy. Brainstorm ideas, offer indoor and outdoor activities, solo and group events. Plan details, pick safe locations, times, arrange transport if needed, collect equipment in advance, and make bookings early. Safety first, check for risks, provide protective gear, and supervise closely. Inform participants, share clear details and answer questions. Encourage engagement, create a welcoming space for all, adjust plans if needed, and foster teamwork. Collect feedback, ask what participants liked or disliked and use their ideas for future event planning. Sports activities. Set clear goals, decide if the focus is fun, skill building, team bonding, or competition. Choose suitable sports, make sure sport matches age and interest. Structure sessions include warm-up, skill drills, practice matches, and cooldowns. Safety and rules: inspect equipment, teach correct techniques, and enforce fair play. Celebrate progress, encourage effort, cooperate, and respect. Continue engagement, keep up interest with new sports and celebrate achievements. Building cognitive skills. Reading, practice sounding out words, understanding stories, and making predictions. Writing, develop handwriting, grammar, and composing paragraphs. Numeracy, practice counting, basic math operations, and solving problems. Critical thinking, encourage kids to analyze, evaluate, and combine ideas. Memory and focus, play games that challenge memory and concentration. Executive functioning, teach planning, organizing, and self-control skills. Creativity, include imaginative play, art, stories, and music. Skills should be taught through play in early childhood, more structured lessons in school, and complex tasks as kids grow older. Use interesting lessons, tailor support, connect topics, and give helpful feedback to boost growth. Organizing fun activities. Games. Offer board games, Monopoly, UNO. Outdoor games, tag, relay races, team-building exercises, human knot, quizzes, and fast-paced minute challenges. Singing. Run karaoke parties, sing-alongs, choir performances, musical story times, and songwriting workshops. Dancing. Host dance parties, fitness classes, workshops for styles like hip-hop or ballet, and run dance games, freeze dance, dance-offs. Always offer a variety, keep things inclusive and safe, encourage creativity, and make everyone comfortable joining in. Timetables and activity duration. How to make, list plans and goals, order by importance, split the day, schedule tasks and breaks, and review update often. Benefits. Timetables help organize, reduce stress, boost productivity, and keep the day tidy. Study timetables include study, fun, and breaks, focus on main tasks, prioritize, adjust as needed, and stick to your plan. Matching activity duration to goals. Define learning goals, decide key concepts. Pick the right activities. Match children's age and learning style. Estimate time, divide tasks based on how complex they are and children's pace. Balance depth and breadth, sometimes longer, deeper activities are needed for tough topics, short ones work for quick reviews. Use variety, add group work, hands-on tasks, and presentations. Monitor and adjust, check progress and be flexible. Tips for success. For props, aim for a 1:1 ratio with kids and always use age-appropriate items. Make activities fun, safe, inclusive, and always encourage participation. Plan regular physical activity, use different games, and gradually make tasks harder as kids' skills improve. Always prioritize safety, clear guidance, and feedback for improvement.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Class Winner Books.